Is it time to buy or sell Invesco Solar Exchange Traded Fund? In this video, we are diving deep into the Invesco Solar Exchange Traded Fund. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 15th of August, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions along with in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 15th of August, 2025, our system has ranked the Invesco Solar Exchange Traded Fund as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.76. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it evolves in the days to come. The Exchange Traded Fund is positioned within a strong and upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further growth within this trend. The current 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 18.15% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 6.8% and 24.53%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of negative 13.39%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 48.18% to negative 13.75% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price within the range of $20.64 to $34.36. Our latest daily update for Invesco Solar ETF includes the headline. On Friday, Invesco Solar ETF price gained an impressive 8.79%. The Invesco Solar ETF price rose 8.79% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 15th of August, 2025. Moving from $36.62 to $39.84. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated 9.39%, with a low of $37.15 and a high of $40.64. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 9.27% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, volume has increased on the last day along with the price, indicating a positive technical sign. In total, 2 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, amounting to approximately $86.47 million in total transactions. Over the past 52 weeks, the ETF's highest price was $43.80, while the lowest price was $25.53. Currently, the price stands 9.04%, or $3.96, below the 52-week high, and 68.38%, or $86.14. Below the all-time high reached on the 25th of January, 2021, when the price hit $125.98. The TAN fund has experienced a tumultuous summer driven by shifting policies. In early July, there was a boost when lawmakers removed an excise tax from a spending bill, which led to an increase in solar-related stocks and allowed TAN to achieve one of the week's most significant gains. However, this positive momentum quickly reversed. Late June and early July brought budget discussions that included proposals for taxes on components sourced from China and a hastened phase-out of tax credits, causing widespread sell-offs in the market. This trend reached a peak with a presidential directive in early July aimed at speeding up the removal of federal clean energy tax credits, resulting in downgrades and further weakness in key holdings. In the short term, expect heightened volatility and fluctuations in flow. Policy announcements and legislative votes will likely lead to rapid price changes and periodic outflows as investors adjust their expectations for cash flows dependent on subsidies. Looking ahead, a permanent reduction of credits or the introduction of new tariffs on components could significantly lower revenue and margin projections for numerous solar companies, placing sustained pressure on TAN's returns. Nevertheless, ongoing declines in module costs, rising demand at the state and corporate levels, and global deployment trends might mitigate some of the negative impacts. In summary, political risk is currently the primary influence, creating a wider dispersion within the ETF and presenting both trading and reallocation opportunities for investors. The following signals have been identified for Invesco Solar Exchange Traded Fund. The Invesco Solar Exchange Traded Fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive forecast for the fund. However, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During market corrections, support is expected at levels $37.20 and $37.59. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. The trading volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical indicator. Nonetheless, some negative signals have also been observed, which could affect short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, July 22, 2025, and since then, the fund has declined by approximately 0.698%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 19 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 8 days ago. The short-term moving average reflects a sell signal from 3 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 8 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average provided a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 55 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages also reflects a buy signal from 55 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Invesco Solar ETF. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $34.27 and $32.14. There is an inherent risk when an ETF is testing a support level, as breaking through this level could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, Invesco Solar finds support just below today's level at $34.27. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $32.14 and $31.44. This ETF displays average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the associated risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the ETF experienced a movement of $3.49 between its high and low, which equates to 9.39%. Over the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 3.5%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Invesco Solar ETF. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Invesco Solar ETF is at $40.12. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Invesco Solar ETF encounters its first support level at $34.27. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $38.29, reflecting a decrease of 3.89%. This exchange-traded fund experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 18 days ago. Is Invesco Solar ETF a good investment option? Several short-term indicators, combined with an overall favorable trend, suggest that this may be a suitable moment to consider purchasing. There's a reasonable possibility for Invesco Solar ETF to perform well in the near future. Consequently, we have revised our analysis from a hold to a buy recommendation since our last evaluation. Upon reviewing the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 18th of August, we anticipate that Invesco Solar ETF will open lower by 630 cents, starting at $39.21. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading, and may you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.